everyone! Welcome to Discover Science with Dr. Dee Dee. Now remember in our story, Santa Claus and Rudolph are in the desert and Rudolph is trying to pull the sled, but this time he's going down a sand dune. You know, when you go down, it's like a slide, right? Phew! It should be easy, but it's not. He's trying to go down, but it keeps getting stuck and it keeps stopping. Why? What's going on? Why doesn't the sled go down the sand dune smoothly? Let's find out. Discover Science. Today's materials: a 515 frame, a 57 frame, ghost stones, and sandpaper. All right, let's check out our materials. We have our two pieces here, and these are our ghost stones. You know, one's black and one's white. And this is very interesting. Feel it with your hands. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear that? Right, it sounds very scratchy, right? This is what sandpaper is. I can use it to do my nails. Or, you know, when you're building furniture, you can sand it down and make it smooth. We're going to do this first. We're going to take the back off. There we go. Take the sticker off. And then take this and put it on one side of the big piece. Now, if you feel this side, okay, we've got all the holes, but it's still very smooth. This side, it looks smooth, but can you hear that? It doesn't feel smooth. It actually feels very rough, okay? And if you use your nails, can you hear that? With my skin, with my nail. Ooh, right? But here it's very smooth. It doesn't make any noise, right? Quiet. Okay. All right. Now we're going to take this piece and we're going to slide it into the back like so. Okay, so you have what looks like a 7. Right? And then the sandpaper on this side. Put it like this, like a slide, right? And we're going to take these pieces and we're going to let it slide down. Pretend this is the sand dune that Santa Claus and Rudolph have to go down, right? So when we think of a sand dune, like I said, it looks like a slide. So whoo is how they should go down. Like this. Woo! Right? One more. Yep, they're the same piece, but on a sand dune, this is sandpaper, right? The sand is very rough, okay? And so what happens? Oh. You see that? I have to push it down. This is what's happening to Rudolph and Santa Claus and their sleigh. It's not going down, right? I have to keep pushing. So Rudolph has to work very hard to pull the sled down. Let me show you a comparison. Okay, this is the same stone. Watch. Ready, set, go. See that? One more time. What? Switch the stone. No trick. That's right. It's the same stone. Ready? See? So once again, a smooth surface allows you to just go down in one sweep. But a rough surface is not easy to go down. Right, I have to push it, right? All right, look at the angle. It's very high, right? What if we took this out and put it maybe somewhere in the middle? Like this? It's even higher, right? All right, let's see if this helps. All right, I'll put it on this side so you can see. Ready? Ooh, set, go. If it's angled higher, it does help push it down a little bit, right? But still, the smooth surface goes much further. All right, one more. How about if we go all the way down here and make the angle very, very high? Can you see? Woo, it's almost going straight down. Let's see what difference it makes. Right? White, black, so you can see. Ready, set, go. It still goes much further, right? So the higher the angle, the easier it is for it to slide down, and the lower the angle, it doesn't go down very easily, right? But still, the smoother surface goes much further and faster, and the rougher surface, it goes slower and stops because of friction. Friction keeps it from going down smoothly and stops it from moving, okay? And some examples of this in real life, have you ever gone to a water park and you ride a tube going down the sled, right? And what is the friction? The water is the friction. What about when it snows? You can ride a tube down a hill and the friction is caused by the snow. Yet it's much smoother. Water and snow is much smoother than this sand, so it moves much faster and it's much more fun.